Hi everyone, welcome back to Zunova, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to the new stock portfolio in the Zunova platform. And so this gets launched from the toolbar right here. Here it is. The new stock portfolio, besides keeping track in real time, complete portfolio tracking of your portfolio, as you see here, also now brings each stock in your portfolio into one of our AI machine learning modules. In this case, this is the AI machine learning module that uses technical indicators and candlestick patterns. So each stock in your portfolio will show in this grid, and then for each stock you'll see outputs where, using machine learning, the different clusters around different technical indicators are calculated according to high, medium, and low clusters, as you can see right here. So you can see, for instance, on a Williams R technical indicator, the cluster for Apple is very, very high, meaning it's close to being overbought. So each one of these clusters are calculated every single day after the close, and it will also calculate if any candlestick patterns are showing up for certain stocks in the portfolio. As you scroll across, you'll see a lot of technical indicators. We cover close to 100, including candlesticks well over 100. And then what also gets calculated every single day after the close is going to be price predictions and prediction of alpha using AI machine learning. And this goes from 1 day out to 1 year for each stock. You can see that going across, so you can pick out your time frame according to how you invest or trade. These, as I said before, get updated every single day. There's also a probability of generating alpha that's calculated for the short term, 1 week, alpha of plus 3% or more, the probability of that occurring for each stock. And then 1 month, 3 months, 6 months out, it goes to the probability of generating alpha of plus 10% out to 1 year. All of these predictions and forecasts can be seen in charts, as you see here, historical versus projected. Probability chart, probability of generating alpha. On the longer term, plus 10% or more. And then accuracy charts, where we actually test the model and see how accurate it's been in the past. This gets updated every month. The accuracy charts goes back 1 year and generates, in this case for shorter term, 1 day out to roughly 1 month, what the accuracy was for using machine learning on the Apple stock. In this case, it has a mean error rate of 2.79%, accuracy of 97.21. The way we do that is we take each day that's being recorded for the actual price versus the predicted price, and the difference between the two is going to be the differential. So there's a lot of information in here that gets generated every single day and updated for the user. Very, very powerful. Tear sheets can be created too. If you're interested in income and balance sheet information, we bring all that kind of information in. If you're interested in more statistical and performance measures, you can look at a performance tear sheet. Any of these tear sheets can be created into a report, and you can generate all this information by selecting into a report like this. All the charts you can also see using our charting library, actual charts. In this case, this is a candlestick chart of each stock, but there are many, many more. And as you scroll down, the portfolio also gets loaded up into a statistical analytical grid. In this grid, there are 80 columns of output, or a little more than 80, for each individual security in the portfolio. As you can see as I'm scrolling, a lot of information is outputted for each one. But you can also look at that same information in any of these tear sheets down here, generating any custom reports, and looking at, using our charting library, any one of these charts. In this case, I'm going to select Bollinger Bands. At the top here of this grid, you can see you can do things like correlation analysis, correlation clustering, covariance analysis, factor analysis, PC analysis, all different optimizations that you can do here. In this case, I'll do Monte Carlo optimization of the portfolio, generating an efficient frontier, and I can see the original portfolio, the maximum Sharpe portfolio, and the minimum variance portfolio. Backtesting, generating tear sheets, what we call health reports, custom reports for the entire portfolio. Again, this is all live as far as this portfolio updating. Stock market news is below. Approximately 4,000 different vendors that supply news through our feed. In this case, the news is custom to whatever stocks are in the portfolio. All trades can be entered through the trade blotter, imported in, or hand entered in. Keeps track of all the information that's necessary for the different portfolios. You can clone portfolios, you can remove portfolios, and you can create new portfolios. So that's the new stock portfolio in the Zenova platform, which the AI machine learning really drives the information to the user on exactly what each stock is doing in that portfolio according to predictions for price, alpha probability, and technical indicator clusters, candlestick patterns. Thank you.